Hello and welcome to the session. Research for Senior Managers. LO5 Conclusion, Recommendations, and Future Work. Wrapping up your research can be challenging. This session guides you through summarizing and concluding effectively. Learn how to confirm objectives, offer recommendations, and identify future work. Setting clear research objectives is crucial. They guide your study and ensure focus. Objectives help in structuring your literature review. They also direct the data collection process. Ultimately, they ensure that your research stays on track. Research philosophy underpins your study. It influences your methodology choices. Understanding it is key to aligning your research approach. It helps in justifying your research methods. A clear philosophy strengthens your study's credibility. A critical review identifies gaps in existing research. It provides context for your study. Reviewing literature helps refine your research questions. It ensures your study contributes to the field. A thorough review is essential for a strong foundation. Data collection is a pivotal research stage. Choose methods that align with your objectives. Analyze data to uncover patterns and insights. Ensure your analysis is rigorous and unbiased. This step is crucial for credible findings. A concise summary is vital. It should include the aim, methodology, and key findings. Highlight any interesting contrasts with existing literature. Ensure your research addresses the identified problem. A strong summary reinforces your study's impact. Conclude by confirming your objectives were met. State if the null hypothesis was rejected. Highlight practical applications of your findings. Be brief but comprehensive. A clear conclusion ties your research together. Confirming objectives is crucial. Explain how each was achieved. Highlight key findings that support this. Reaffirm your research focus throughout. This step validates your study's direction. Recommendations stem from your findings. They should be actionable and clear. Include an implementation plan. Use resources wisely for effective execution. Recommendations enhance your research's practical value. For example, a marketing team might use findings to engage customers. They could create outreach programs, encourage feedback on online forums. Such initiatives can improve customer relations. Tailor recommendations to specific contexts. Acknowledge your research limitations. Discuss data collection challenges, mention scope and methodology constraints. Despite these, highlight how objectives were achieved. Limitations offer transparency and context. Future work extends your research. Consider comparative studies or larger samples. Explore different methodologies. Highlight potential academic contributions. Future work keeps your research relevant. Let's recap the key sessions. We explored the importance of research objectives, delved into research philosophy and literature review, discussed data collection and analysis. Each step builds towards a comprehensive conclusion. The session aimed to summarize and conclude research. We confirmed the achievement of objectives, offered actionable recommendations, discussed limitations and future work scope. These elements ensure a thorough research process. A strong summary encapsulates your research. It should be concise yet comprehensive. Emphasize interesting findings. Ensure the research problem is addressed. A clear conclusion reinforces your study's value. Objective confirmation is vital. Detail how each was met through findings. Reaffirm your research focus. Highlight any unexpected results. This strengthens your study's credibility. Recommendations should be practical. Include clear action steps, detail an implementation plan, use findings to guide recommendations. This enhances your research's impact. Consider a company using findings to boost customer engagement. They might launch feedback initiatives, create forums for customer interaction. Such actions can enhance brand loyalty. Tailor recommendations to the specific context. Discussing limitations is crucial. Mention data collection or methodology constraints. Despite these, objectives can still be met. Limitations provide transparency. They also offer areas for future improvement. Future work builds on your research. Consider larger studies or different methods. Highlight potential academic contributions. Future research keeps your findings relevant. It offers new avenues for exploration. In conclusion, summarizing your research is essential. Confirm objectives and offer recommendations. Address limitations and explore future work. These steps ensure a comprehensive study. They enhance your research's impact and relevance. You've now mastered summarizing and concluding research. By confirming objectives and exploring future directions, your study remains impactful. These elements ensure your research is comprehensive and relevant. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748431688.